Hello, my dear students. I, Hina Kausar, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology, Abhedananda Senior College, welcomes you again for my today's session. We are learning the basic concepts in sociology. In the last class, we have already covered the meaning of primary group. Today, the topic is characteristics of primary group. So let's start today's session. Primary group possess certain essential traits. So we are having that characteristics with us. That is, the following are the characteristics of primary group. First is closeness or physical proximity. Physical proximity or presence provides an opportunity for the development of intimate and close relations. In order that relations of the people may be close, it is necessary that their contacts also should be close. Seeing and talking with each other makes exchange of ideas and thoughts easy. It is because the members of primary group meet and talk frequently that a good feeling and a sense of identify develop among them quickly. Professor K. Davis remarked that physical proximity or face to face relation is not indispensable for establishing close contact or intimacy. Next characteristic is smallness. Primary groups are smaller in size. The smaller the size of the group, the greater will be the intimacy among its members. Relationships can be intimate and personal only in a small group. It is a fact that intimacy declines as the size of the group increases. The limited size of the group facilitates the participation of all its members in its common activity. Better understanding and fellow feeling among the members can be possible only when the group is small in size. So I hope you have understood the second characteristic. Let's quickly go for the third characteristic, which is durability. Primary group is relatively a permanent group. Intimacy between the members becomes deeper because they meet frequently and are closely associated with one another. The longer the duration of the acquaintance, the greater the intimacy. All the members of the primary group try to fulfill the condition of continuity or durability of relationships. Let's see the fourth characteristic, which is intensity of shared interest. Members of a primary group have similar attitudes, desires, and objectives. They all work together for the fulfillment of their common end. Every member tries to promote the common welfare of his group. The experiences, pain and pleasure, success and failure, prosperity and adversity of an individual members are shared by all the members of the group. The interest of one are the same as the interest of other. Kingsley Davis has rightly remarked, the child's needs become the mother's needs. Such a complete and mutual identity of ends is seldom found. Next characteristic is relationship is an end in itself. The primary relationship is regarded not as a means to an end, but rather as an end itself. If the people make friends for specific purpose or means, we cannot regard their friendship as genuine. A genuine friendship or true love is not formed for a purpose. It is above the consideration of any selfish interest or interests. Friendship is a source of pleasure. It is intrinsically enjoyable. The primary relations are voluntary and spontaneous because they possess intrinsic value. Sixth characteristic is relationship is personal. The primary relationship is a matter of persons. It exists because of them and it is sustained by them. It should be noted that this relationship comes to an end as soon as one of the partners disappears from the primary group. The personal relationship is non-transferable and irreplaceable. One individual cannot be substituted by another individual in the same relationship. Seventh characteristic is relationship is inclusive. In the primary group, we face our fellows as total human beings. A person comes to know his fellow in all the details of his life as a whole being. It does become clear that primary relationships are non-contractual, non-economic, non-political, and non-specialized. They are personal, spontaneous, sentimental, and inclusive. So, we have learned today the characteristics of primary group. I hope you have understood the today's session where we have seen that how primary group is. Here we have found today that they are having a closeness or physical proximity, smallness, durability, intensity of shared interest. Relationship is an end in itself. Relationship is personal. Relationship is inclusive. So student, this is all for today's session. In the next class, we are going to see more about the secondary group. Thank you for your attention. I hope you have enjoyed and learned the same time. Thank you so much. Bye.